Good morning, children. Sai Ram. In our maths class, chapter number 3, addition, we are going to see skip counting. Last class we saw till addition using carryover method, right? I think you all know to do addition using carryover method, right, children? And today we are going to see skip counting. Now we'll see what is skip counting. Yes, are you all ready? Now, skip counting is skip and count. What do you mean by skip counting? Skip counting is skip and count. You're going to skip and count the numbers. Fix a number to skip. For example, you have to count, you're going to fix a number to skip. What number you're going to skip? Whether you're going to skip by 2s, 3s or 5s like that. You're going to fix a number to skip. Start the count from a given number. Next, what we have to do? Next, we have to start the counting from a given number. Maybe from 100 for 200 or 150 like that. So, start the count from a given number. Skip the fixed number and continue counting. Skip the fixed number. So, we have fixed a number, right? Maybe skip counting by 2 means we are going to skip by 2s. Skip the fixed number and continue the counting. So, what do you mean by skip counting? Skip counting is skip and count. You're going to skip 2 number and you're going to count. Fix a number to skip. So, we have to fix a number to skip. We'll see some examples now. Start the count from a given number. So, we have to start the count from which number? Whatever number is given. So, maybe 123 or 150. So, we can start the count from the given number. Skip the fixed number and continue counting. So, after that what we have to do? We have to skip the number, fixed number and we have to continue the counting. We'll see some examples, then you'll have a clear idea of what is skip counting. So now, starting from 100, skip counting in 2s. So first one, we are going to see the skip counting in 2s. Just see the first example. See the honeybee wants to, the bee wants to it wants to skip two places. How it will happen? Just see. So our fixed number is what? 2. So we are going to skip counting 2s. And what number we are going to start? 100. We are going to start from number 100, right? So now start from number 100. We are going to skip 2 places, right? So I'm going to jump 2 places. We are going to skip 2 places. So start from 100, 101, 102. So skip 2 places. So what number? 101, 102. Now I have skipped 2 places. Now 102. After that 103, 104. Again 2 numbers. So 104. So when you skip count in 2s, so the starting number we have taken here is 100. So after that I'm skipping the number in 2s. So next 102. Then from that I'm skipping 2 more. So 104. From that just skip that 2 more. 105, 106. Next 107, 108. Or else you can see skip counting is adding the given number to the fixed number. So 100 plus 2, 102. And from that number add 2 more to it. And from that, so 102. From 102 add 2 more. 103, 104. So that is skip counting. You're skipping the in between numbers. So it does not want to go to the number 101. So the honeybee wants to skip that number. So this is the way we have to skip count the numbers. We keep on add the fixed number to the given number, right? 100 plus 2, 102. Then 102 plus 2, 104. So it will skip the in between numbers 2. So now 108, 109, 110. Just see 108 in between 109 is there. So it is skipping to 110. Then 111, 112. So now it is skipping 12. So I don't want 111. So now from 112, I'm going to skip 2 more. So 112, 113, 114. Now from 114, I want to skip 2 more. 115, 116. Very good. Next 116. I'm going to skip 2 more. 117, 118. So now, first we saw the skip counting in twos, right? So starting from the given number 100, you can take any number and you can skip count in twos. So here we have taken example of 100. So it is skip count in twos. So 100 plus 2, 102. Then 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118. So now let's take the next example. Starting from 121. So this is the starting number. We can take any number. Starting from 121, skip count in threes. We are going to skip three numbers. Skip count in threes. What is the starting number? 121. I'm going to skip count in threes. Shall we start now? So after 121, I'm going to skip 3. 121, 122, 123. That I'm going to skip. So 124. So honeybee will go from 121 to 124. After 124, I'm going to skip count 3. 25, 26, 27. Directly I'll go to 127. After 127, 128, 129, 130. So I've skipped 3 numbers, right? So I'll directly go to 130. I'll not go to in between numbers. So these numbers are skipped out, right? These numbers we have skipped. So we directly jump from 121 to 124. Then from 124, 127. Then from 127 to 130. Now from 130, yes, 131, 132, 133. So we'll directly go to 133. And from that, 134, 135, 136. So 136. And from that, again 3 more. 139, then 142, 145, then 148. So what do you may skip count? In other words, we can say that we are going to add the fixed number to the given number. So 121 plus 3, 124. Similarly, we are going to, and from that number again we are going to add the fixed number. So here we have fixed number is 3 in this. So 124 plus 3, 127. And from that 127 again I'll add 3 more. So 130. Then 130 plus 3, 133. This is skip counting in threes. We are going to add 3 to it. So we have skipped the in between numbers, right? Next, third one. Starting from 1 to 140. So our starting number is 140. 140. Skip count in fives. We are going to skip count in 5 fives. So starting from 140. So where the honeybee will go now? If you skip count in 5. Count and tell me the answer now. So starting from 140, directly it will go to which number from 140? It will go to 142? No. So now we are going to skip count in fives, right? So we are going to skip, directly we'll skip to the 5th number, right? So from 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. So 145. So honeybee will go to 145. Next, after 145, 146, 147. So these number it will skip. It will not go to that number. It will directly jump to that number. 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. So now tell me from 150 where will jump now? Yes, you have to add 5 more so that it will skip to the next number. Because it is skip counting in 5s, right? So 150, from 150 to which number it will jump now? Tell me now. So 151, 152, 153, 154, 155. It will directly jump to 155. So honeybee will jump from 140 to 145 and it will move to the next flower. 145 to 150. Then 150 to 55. Then 155 to again add 5 more to it. 160. 165. So it will skip the in between numbers, right? 170, 175, 180, 185. So you know skip counting by 2s, 3s and 4s, right? So just add the given number, starting number to the fixed number. That means the skip counting in 2s means you are going to add 2 to the given number. So first we have to add 2 to the given number. So we'll get one answer, right? And from that again you have to add the 2 more to it, to the fixed number. So 102, 100 plus 2, 102. Then 102 plus again 2 more, 104. Then again 104 plus 2, 106. Like that it will go on. Next, skip count in tens. Now we are going to see skip count in tens. So till now we have seen skip count in 2s, 3s and 5s. So we are going to skip 10, 10. Skip count in tens. We are going to skip 10 numbers. Directly we are going. So directly we'll jump to the next 10 numbers after 10 numbers. So starting number is 180. Here the starting number is 180. So we are going to skip count in tens. Shall we now? So start from 180. In between numbers we are going to skip 81, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189. So directly we'll go to 190. So directly the honeybee will go to 190. So it will skip the in between numbers. So 181 to 89 will skip and it will directly go to 190. So next is it will go from 190 to 200. Add 10 more to it. From 190 add 10 more to 190 so that it will move to 200. Then add 10 more, 210. So then 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270. So you all know what is skip counting, right children? Shall we move on to the sums now? Yes. Now. So you know how to skip count in 3s, 2s, 5s and 10s, right? Shall we move on to the sums now? Yes. Complete the series by skip counting in 2s. Complete the series. So first 3 numbers has been given for you. The next remaining numbers we are going to find out. Yes. Complete the series by skip counting in 2s. So first one is starting number. What is the starting number? 122. This they have given 122. So this is skip counting in 2s. 124. 126. The next number we are going to find out. How will you skip count in 2s? Add 2 more to the number 126. What is the number? So this number. So we are going to add 2 more. The meaning is we are going to skip the next number, right? So after see 126, 127, 128. I am going to skip 2 more. What start from 126, add 2 more, 127, 128. So my answer is directly will go to 128. So after 126, if you add 2 more, what is the answer? 128. And from this number, add 2 more. And from this number, add 2 more to it. Yes, from 128, add 2 more. So that 128 plus 2, 129, 130. So directly go to 130. Just see 129, 130. I've skipped 2 places, right? So 130. And from this 130, from this number, again you're going to skip 2 more. From 130, you're going to skip 2 more. 131, 132. So after 130, 131, 132. So write 132 inside the box now. So after that 126, write 128 inside the box. If you have the book with you, write the answers in the book itself. No need to write down in the classwork. So after 126, 128. Then after that you are going to skip 2 more. So 130. Then 132. And from this number I am going to skip 2 more. 133, 134. So write 134 inside the box. Then from this 134, I am going to skip 2 more. 135, 136. Write it down, 136. So first one is 122, 124, 126. Next is 128, 130, 132, 134, 136. Now let's move on to the next sum, B. So the starting number is 153. The starting number is 153. From this number, we are going to skip counting 2's. So what is the starting number? 153. What is the fixed number here? 2. We are going to skip 2 numbers, right? Starting number is 153. So let's start now. From 153, we are going to skip 2 more. 154, 155, right? So directly we'll go to 155. So already it is there. Then 157. And from this 157, you are going to tell me the answer now. What number will come after 157 if you skip counting 2's? Add 2 more to it. Add 2 more to the number 157. 158, 159. So 100, write it down, 159. From this again, from the number 159, add 2 more to it. What is the meaning? You're going to skip 2, right? 150, 160, 161. So I've skipped 2 numbers. So 161. And from this 161, I'm going to skip 2 more. 162, 163. Write 163 inside the box now. Again from the number 163, I'm going to skip 2 more. 164, 165. So write 165. And from the number 165, again skip 2 more. 167, 166, 167. So write 167 inside the box now. So here our starting number is 153. From this we are going to skip count in 2's. So when you skip count in 2's, 153, then 155, will directly go to 155. Then 157, 159, 161, 163, 165, 167. We'll see one more sum in this. So we are going to skip count in 2's this one. So what is the starting number? 615. From this number we are going to skip 2, right? We are going to skip to the next 2 numbers. So starting number is 615. So 615, 616, 617. Now then 615, 660, 617. So it will directly go to 617. From this 617, again it will skip 2 numbers. 680, 619. So write 600, already 619 is there. So from 619, it will directly now skip 2 more numbers. 620, 621. Write 621. Then from 621, so from 621, it will skip 2 more. You just skip 2 more. 622, 623. So 623. 23, write it down inside the box, 623. From this number 623, again it will skip to two more numbers. It will skip two numbers. So 624, 625. So it will skip to 625, and from that skip two more, 626, 627. So after this again skip two more, 628, 629. So have you all written? So you all know how to skip count in twos, right? Just add two, just skip two numbers, add, or else count two numbers to the given number. Start from the given number, count forward to count add two more to that number. So 615 plus 2, 617, and from that number again add two more to that. So 619, and from that add two more. So you all know how to skip count in twos, right? Now we'll see one more sum. Complete the series by skip counting in threes. So today we are going to see now. Next is complete the series by skip counting in threes. So they have given the starting number and we are going to skip count in threes. We are going to skip three. We are going to skip to the next three numbers, right? So starting number is 130. The meaning is you are going to add three more to the given number, right? So starting number is 130. Then 133, 136. So next you are going to tell me the answer. To what number it will directly jump from 136. Skip counting in threes this is. So start one. After 136 you have to skip 3, right? 100. You have to add 3 more. 137, 138, 139. So it will directly skip to 139. So in between numbers 137. So it will start from 136. 138, 139. So it will directly jump to 136 to 139, right? This is skip counting in threes. You are going to add 3 more to the number. So in between numbers are skipped, right? So from 136 again skip to the next skip next 3 numbers. 136, 37, 38, 137, 138, 139, right? 139 inside the box, and from that number again skip 3 more. 100 after 139, 140, 141, 142. Some directly jumping from 139 to 142. Now tell me what number it will jump from 142. It will go to which number next? Yes, skip count, skip by 3, skip in threes now. Tell me the answer now. After 142, to which number it will jump? So after 142, 143, 144, 145. So it will jump to 145. So in between numbers are skipped, right? So after 145, again add 3 more. 146, 147, 148. So write 148. From that number add 3 more. That means you're going to skip 3 numbers. 148, 149, 150, 151. So it will directly jump to 151. The starting number is 130. 130, next 133, 136. Remaining we are going to find out. So after 136 it will directly jump to 137, 38, 139. So 139, then 142, 145, 148, 151. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. So next sum starting number is 500. So starting number is 500. So next is 503. Then 506. This we are going to find out now. So after 506 it will directly jump to which number? Tell me now. After 506 skip count in threes. You're going to skip 3 numbers. 507, 508, 509. So it will directly move to 509. Right? 509 inside the box. 509, 509. And from this number, again skip 3 more. 510, 511, 512. So it will directly move on to 512. From this number 512, again it will skip. Just skip 3 more. 513, 514, 515. So directly move to 515. Write it down. 515. 515. From this 515, again skip 3 more. Skip 516, 517, 518. Write it down. 518. 518. From this number 518, again skip 3 more. 519, 520, 521. So write 521. So starting number is 500. With this 500, so next is 503, 506. So what will be the next number? So you're going to skip 3 more, right? So 507, 508, 509. Then 512, 515, 580, 521. So we'll see one more sum and the skip counting in threes. Yes, what is the starting number here? 440. Next is 443. And next is 446. And you're going to tell me the next number. What will come after 446? To which number directly it will go? Yes, start from 446. Skip count in threes. You're going to skip 3 numbers in between. So 446, you're going to skip 3 numbers. 447, 448, 449. So it will directly go to 449. Write 449 inside the box. And next from that number, again skip 3 more. 450, 451, 452. So write 452. And again from that number 452, skip 3 more. 453, 454, 455. So from 452, it will directly move to, skip to 455. And from that number, skip 3 more. 456, 457, 458. So you all know to skip count in threes and twos and threes, right children? Practice well the sums. And home assignment, complete the series by skip counting in twos. Going to skip count in twos. Starting number is 204, next 206, 208, and this you're going to find out. Other things you're going to find out. So starting number is 204. You're going to skip count in twos. 204, 206, 208, and B sum 411, 413, 415. So you're going to skip count in twos, right? And next sum, complete the series by skip counting in threes. You're going to skip the numbers. You're going to skip counting in threes. So starting number is 212, 250, 218. Starting number is 212, and from that it has been skipped 3 numbers. 3 numbers has been skipped, and from that 3 more. So 218. The remaining numbers you are going to find out. And B sum 324, 327, 330. So practice well all the sums. Finish your homework. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.